Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In this video, we're going to take a look at a model which shows the histology of the liver. What we want to note when we're looking at this histological model is we want to note the liver cells, which are seen throughout the model. So there's some here, and they are known as hepatocytes. Cyte meaning cell, and then hepato is telling us that they are liver cells. These are our hepatocytes. Then we can also see a bile duct right here. That green kind of gives us that bile indicator. There's our bile duct. And then we have several macrophages that are known as Kupffer cells. We can see one of the macrophages here. They kind of almost look like a starfish almost. There's one here below my pointer. You can see part of one here and here. So throughout here, we can see these macrophages, and again, they get that special name of Kupffer cell.